Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is a very special day because I'm here to share with you my passion for the Tesla Model Y and the exciting news that I'm starting a new channel dedicated to this amazing electric vehicle here in the UK. I'm Richard. I've been a huge fan of electric vehicles and an owner of one for over 10 years. The Tesla Model Y has captured my heart with its incredible performance, sleek design and advanced technology. I'm thrilled to be able to share my enthusiasm with you all. Follow me as I place the order for my car in the not too distant future, and I'll show you everything from the point of ordering and how to order it to its collection and first drive. On this channel you can expect to see a wide range of content, including in-depth reviews of the Tesla Model Y and other models, comparisons with other electric vehicles, discussions on the latest updates and technologies, and so much more. I want to create a community where we can all come together to share our love for this incredible vehicle. Let's talk about the vision I have for this channel. I truly believe that it will become a valuable resource for Tesla Model Y enthusiasts here in the UK. I want to provide you with insightful and encouraging content that will inspire you and inform you on all things related to this groundbreaking electric vehicle. In conclusion, I am beyond excited to embark on this journey with you all. I can't wait to see where this channel will take us and the incredible discussions and connections we will make along the way. So if you are as passionate about Tesla as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Together we can make this channel a vibrant hub for all Tesla things in the UK. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.